Digital marketing: 6 stages of product development, product analysis, business plan, market research, prototyping, production, distribution. Product analysis focuses on how well a product performs in online markets, its digital presence, and its alignment with consumer behavior in digital channels. Business plan outlines the strategy and roadmap for promoting products, services, or a brand in the digital space. Market research: it helps business understanding the target audience, digital trends, and customers' behaviors, and the competitive environment. Prototyping: ad campaign prototyping, email marketing prototyping, social media campaign prototyping, content marketing prototyping, marketing automation. Producting: it involves the creation and execution of digital strategies. This process is essential for engaging customers, promoting products, and building brand awareness across digital platforms. DISTRUB